Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. And in Narberth today, it is wet and miserable. It's not actually cold, but it's just wet and ugh. Right, I've come up with something today, but I don't know what to call it. Hang on, I've forgotten something already, look. Right, sorry about that. Forgot my dimensionals. Yes, I've come up with something today, but I don't quite know what to call it. It's going to be a cross between a big card or a small journal. Now, I'm going to tell you all the measurements, but I'll be putting them on my blog later on. Now, this paper comes from Prima and is called Cherry Blossom. And I love Cherry Blossom. It's just such a beautiful flower. Right, what I've done is, oops, that's there, so don't forget. Right, let's put this like here. You see all that? Yes, I think you can. So, it is a piece of 11 1/4 by 8 1/4, and then you score it at 14 and 15. But I think, hold on, where has it gone? Where's it gone? My ruler. Yes, I think what you need, oh dear, what you have to do, because of the way I've done it, oh no, it works out right, I think. Well, just check when you've done it, that when you close it and the hinge is like that both are the same. So I've scored that now, and like I said, at 14 and 15 centimetres. And then this pocket, these are all little pockets. And these pockets, this one is 13 by 7, because what I've done is I score 1 centimetre on both sides and across straight lines. Oh, dear. 1 centimetre, 1 centimetre. Okay, so 3 sides is 1 centimetre. And the same here, so if this measures, this is 11, you add 2 centimetres because you go 1 centimetre, 1 centimetre. And then here, it is 4.5. Now you don't put 2 centimetres on here because you are only scoring 1 centimetre for the bottom, and it's exactly the same here. Sorry I'm flitting from inches to centimetres, but I'm getting there. I just check this one again. 6, 7, 6, 7, yes. So you can see here all the measurements. Right, now then, I'm going to leave the front of it until later on, until afterwards, because I want to, sorry, this is the drink. I'm on the lemon and lime flat water today. I did try the fizzy one, but my tummy didn't like it very much. So, it was up to you which side you use for the front or for the centre. Entirely up to you. But I think I'm going to use this because I'm going to put quite a lot of my, well, not quite, I'm going to put some flowers and leaves on it, and I think this side is a bit too busy for that. It'll spoil it, even though this is the side I cut out for, but never mind. Right, I am now taking the pocket that goes on this side, on the left side, if I can find it. Oh, now then, I'm going to put it there, and I want to score 1 centimetre there, turn it round, score 1 centimetre, and turn it round to the long side and score 1 centimetre. Now what you're going to have to do as well, if the doorbell rings, then I will be nipping out because it's I'm waiting for a package from a new company that I bought from the other day. They said it might be here today, which is extremely very exciting for me. Right, so there's that one. And we do the same with these. Now that's, the one thing, when you're doing, if you're using directional paper, make sure the butterflies are going up or whatever, because if you do it like that, it's better going like that, even though that's not going any which direction, but that is the main, that's the main picture that they're going to be focusing on, is that one. So we do again the same. That's an... Do you know, one day I can't say I'm going to master the English language, but as you can see, I'm going round again 3 sides of the paper, the cards, with the butterfly going the right way around, and it's the same with this one. So I want the butterfly, so the bottom bit now is the piece that I'm going to score, and the 2 sides. I hope you've all had a nice day today. I've just, what have I done today? I popped down my neighbours, my bubble, and just helped her a little bit, not much, but collected my meals, because she kindly does. She gets me a little something every week from her food delivery, which is wonderful. But we are again on lockdown. Nobody in Wales thought we were going to have it, because apparently it's this part here, Pembrokeshire in Wales, is the lowest rate of cases apparently. So right, here we are. We carry on like we have done. So that's okay. Right, where's my? I was going to say didgeridoo then, but I mean, well, oh well, forget it. Don't worry. I'll just move this out the way, and I'll be careful. Right. So what I want to do, I've cut all the corners off these. Have I? Yeah, off these things. Right, I'm going to score these and fold them. I don't like that pattern, so I thought, well, if I use it on the inside, it won't really show, will it? I just thought as well, if you with this, you could use it as, you know, if you go somewhere for the day, or if there is an event, a one-off event, you can put the little pictures and all in here, because even though it doesn't look very wide, it will actually take quite a lot of, like tickets and photos, tags, you name it. It's going to be quite a lot putting in there. Right, now that I've done all that, I'm going to put this on the inside, on the bit that's folded over, because that's the bit that's going to stick to the actual cover itself. Right, so this is going to be fun, isn't it? Something not sitting right there. No, it isn't. It was bending over because I didn't cut it properly. I pulled it instead of cutting it like that. I did again then, didn't I? Oh, well, never mind. Right. Sorry, this is the laborious way of doing it. Actually, no, what I can do... No, I won't, because I'll be cutting corners, and I don't really want to cut corners. I was going to say I'm going to glue him in, but this is very strong finger lift tape, and it will hold then for... It'll take quite a bit to unhinge it, I think. Not unhinge, but you know what I mean. Oh, come on. Definitely don't want any of this going on my paper, my desk paper. No, what am I calling it? Oh, what did I call it the other day? It's like my marker of, so I know when I'm in shot. If my little fingers are this side, oh, I make a mess of this. You can tell I don't use this sort of stuff very much, do you? Right, one more to go, thankfully. Then we can get to the pretty bits, which is the outside. Yes, I've ordered from a company called My Craft Art. So it's MyCraftArt. The craft art is one word. And she posted it yesterday, and the lady, Joanna, I think her name is, she said it should be with me today. So when it arrives, I will be doing an unboxing because I've never ordered from this company before. Right, what I'm doing here now is a change of subject. I'm just cutting off any overhanging bits before I start taking it off and things. Yes, so I haven't ordered from these before. They're in Poland. Wonderful customer services with them. So we'll see what's in the package when it arrives. Now that I just did that, didn't I? I mean, you can use, obviously, any paper you like. What would be nice is if you was a child, for a child, which it can be, because there is no age limit to this craft. You could do it to match their bedroom. So if they've got like a chest of drawers or something, or a table or whatever in their room, this can be made to coordinate on their room. I think next time I do one like this, I think I'll do it, I'll use glue next time. Right, where's the big one gone? Oh. Typical, I did the little one, wasn't it? As yet, I don't know how to pause and things like that, so unfortunately, you have got me that's blabbering away. If I push that in there, then that'll close over that. That'll close over that. So it makes it a bit easier to handle then if they're all closed over. Put that one down. Don't grab hold of my... I have got a non-stick mat somewhere. Oh look, stick it to me now. Oh dear. There's one more to do then. And then it'll be a matter of just putting it all together and it's usually the last one, isn't it, that creates the problem. It will not go anywhere. If you do have any that wouldn't come off at all. If you get any overhanging, then please cut it off like I did with mine. Or if it's just a little bit, a titchy-witchy bit like that, it's only a little tiny bit, just bend it back on itself. Right, so that's all those three done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put these two first. So I'm going to put one, it's entirely, oh look at that, that's not very well good, is it? I wonder what I went wrong there. Right, obviously make sure that the gap is in the top. And I'm going to bring this down to about there. So there's that little tricky bit there. And I'm going to put this one in the middle on the other side. And where's the other one gone? Oh, I couldn't see for looking. And then this one then will come down about, about there. Right, I'm going to press all those in. I'm going for another drink. Now then, here I have cut a wiggly line oval. So I'm going to stick dimensionals on here. When I tried this earlier on, it didn't take this long. Oh well, it nearly worked, didn't it? Bit more practice with that, I think. I can't expect it to take my finger lift tape and this tape off. Right, so make sure you've got the front at the front, if you know what I mean, and the back at the back. I'm going to put this, yeah, around there-ish. And what I've done is I've made some of my flowers, and I've also cut out some greenery. Just one thing to be aware when you're using this, because this is from Foamy-Ran rather than cards. Just be very careful how you take it out of the machine, because it can catch and rip. That's what I was trying to say, but it didn't really want to say it, did it? Come on, get in there. Just randomly put them in wherever you want to. Now I was going to put that one over there just to... There we go. Then I'm going to get my Tombow. Oh, another little thing I found. You know, sometimes if you've had these in a drawer or in a box for a long time and they've got a bit lopsided, so all you need to do is pull them up like that in your hand. Just roll with them. And then you can fuzz them out then. And there we go. They're brand new. As if they'd never been in a box. Now I've left a little tail on here, but doesn't matter about that. I'm going to put that bit in there. I'm not going to... I'm just going to put them in and leave them now, because what will happen is that they won't stick. They won't stick as quickly as I want. Sorry, as quickly as I want them to. Oh dear me! That's what comes when you talk too much. There we go, and you stick that on there, and then you can put the name of the person or whatever on there. So that's my little project for the day, using the cherry blossom. Is it called cherry blossom? Just double check that. Yes. Cherry blossom card set from Prima, and then I've got some Foamy-Ran flowers I made with Lady E Designs, and these are also from Lady E Designs. And then this is just a circle of white cards that I've put dimensionals on just to raise it up, and then you can tuck all your flowers and everything in them. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. Stay safe and warm, everybody, and if you like it, please subscribe and give me a hug. Give me a virtual hug in the way of a like. Thank you for watching me. Thanks very much. Bye.